Haley fell asleep.
And I'm ready to go throw it outside.
Alright, hey guys, so we're at a VP somewhere in the middle of Wisconsin because our tire is low on air, and I was driving, and then it goes air pressure or like tire pressure low, and I was like, great, because we literally brought the car in today to get the 2 back tires switched out, but not the 2 front tires. So I'm like, alright, whatever, air pressure low, like I'll keep going, and then it goes pull over and fill up air pressure now. So we pulled over, and I've never filled up a tire, and I don't really know how to do it. So I have a little hose, and we're gonna see how this works, because I don't know what I'm doing, and neither does my mom, and neither does my sister. So we're all kind of screwed. Hey guys, it's Claudia again. I'm with Megan, and we're leaving ski practice, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I keep forgetting to vlog, so this week is gonna be really boring.
We just saw a deer. It's actually running up the hill.
It's right there.
You guys probably can't see it though.
You definitely can't see it. Maybe you could hear it, but probably not.
Tonight was a really bad ski practice.
Yeah.
Our 4 highs sucked.
It was really bad. I made mine, which was good. I was just like, Claudia, you have to make this or else you're gonna get taken out. And I made it. I'm probably still gonna get taken out, but it's fine.
I'm still in it. I never fall.
Yeah. Megan's just a rock.
Yep.
She's just always
Total
there.
beast here. Look at these pipes. Otherwise, the ballet line was really good. Like, we made that.
Yeah, it was good. It was good. That's pretty much it. This is the lake. It's really pretty. My vlog. Hi guys. It's a boating day. Justine's in the water somewhere back there. Yeah. But yeah, basically we're going on a boat. We got McDonald's. It was fun.
Got some fries.
Yep. They can't see you. They can only see me.
I'm coming. What's up, guys? Hey. Jay Block here, coolest guy on the chain.
Pretty much I've been really bad at vlogging. I forgot to vlog yesterday, the day before, just the whole week. It's already Friday. So we're on the lakes.
We're on the lakes, we're doing some surfing.
Yep. We're gonna do some.
Look at that poop.
I can't flip it. I have to
There's
stop.
a piece of poop in the water. That's sick.
Oh, it's cool. That guy's taking a picture of me. You look so uncomfortable.
Hey guys, welcome to the vlog.
Yo,
Here, you know.
what's good? We ate
Starting out from
scoops. Oh, I dropped my scoops.
There's some people looking at us. Hey.
They just don't get the vlog, you know? Don't
No
get
one
it.
understands the vlog.
No one
It's
understands the
vlogging
vlog.
life.
Yeah, today's still Friday. We are getting ice cream. Hi guys! Today is now Saturday.
What's up, guys? It's me, Megan, back here again.
We're all on Jacob's boat. We just went tubing, and tubing hours just ended now. So we have to stop. And then we have a ski show later today. And yeah, Red Solo Cup. That's pretty much it. I'm trying to find my family because they're on the lakes, but I don't know where they are. Anybody have anything to say? My head hurts.
Follow me on Instagram at
I'm the best tuber here. Like, I was
Megan
on
and
the
I
end.
both only fell off once, but she had a
Well,
harder spot than
Yeah,
me.
I was on the
so-
whipping side, and I'm just a fucking beast. So. Oh, sorry, this is PG. I'm a freaking beast.
But yeah. Hi guys!
We're going to fireworks right now! And we're jamming out, obviously.
But yeah, we're going to watch fireworks on one of our lakes out here because they're all connected. So there's lots of lakes. Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. We are 6 boats deep right now.
It's me and Megan again.
I would just like to send a message out to the kids. Appropriate, please.
We're waiting for the Lily can be in it with me. We're waiting for the fireworks on one of these lakes. It's gonna be so good. There's 10 barges, like 10 full pontoon boats of people. I just said of people. The people aren't exploding. 10 full pontoon boats of fireworks.
Hey, I would just like to show.
And these are all the
Can I show
police
you
boats. All right, so we figured it out.
We finally got Jacob in here.
Yeah.
Find my phone how to say it.
And yeah, we're waiting. I don't know what else to say. Guys, so we're just watching the fireworks, and one of the boats caught on fire. That's not good. But hey, look at how pretty these are. Hey guys, so we're still here. We're still chilling. The barge is still on
So
fire.
far.
It didn't work. The barge is still on fire.
God.
All right. Oh,
That's awesome.